Happy hump day. Let's see what we can do here without having to start get in the machine and sweep it, everything up. This one used to have a chain on it so it would eject the bale. They all should have a chain on it, actually, I should say. I don't want to squeeze it too hard because I don't want to pop the Let's check and see if there's any screws. No screws? Oop, one, uno, dos. Good. Bueno. Bueno. Let's go see how much it weighs. These don't weigh a lot. And then I'll dump that on him. Also, we're going to put those big sealed units from that AC in the box. I got to use the hook, the chain with the hooks for these two blue ones. It's on 0, yep. $7.57. Wah, wah, wah. Alright, I got to do some cleanup, fill them up again. Do this so you can get more in it. sometime today I'll get another bin for the motors. This is a heat sink. And these things are really tough to sell because they're part copper, part stainless. And the copper people, what I've been told, don't want these because of the stainless. The stainless people don't want it because of the copper content. So you're stuck with a product that no one really wants. I've got like probably 8 or 9 of these scattered about around here. Some are on a pallet. Yeah, and when we have a driver who's on vacation right now. He goes and gets all our parts. So when he gets back, I'm probably gonna send him to get that part we took off the baler for that one and see if that's what the issue was. Let's see. That propane tank needs to go out back. That's very dangerous. Dangerous. You can't drill them because one little spark, it'll blow up. So stuff on it for clean stainless. We gotta hurry because we're starting to get customers and everything. Yep. You keep them, I got a new pair. Okay. Thank you. I put that in a 90. I put that in a 90. Oh, cut the copper off? Slowly getting down there, slowly. Did we go out back?
Yeah, I've already been there.
You already been there? Okay. Let's see. Eric.
That's me.
Olin.
Yeah, baby.
The carport stuff will go down here.
And that
Yep. Yep, the far one. Yep. What do we got? Motors.
Where do these guys go as? A little baby transformer thing.
The motor.
Oh, it goes as a regular motor?
Yes, sir. Yep.
That? And then those go over in there?
Yep. Yep. These ones, these are just junk.
Oh, those are junk?
Yeah, because it's probably got a little small one, but
okay.
But feel the weight on that compared to that.
Oh, yeah. It's twice as heavy.
Yeah.
So I hear from the great tree you like jokes.
I like jokes?
Yeah.
Yeah, we do that.
I got one for you. What did my grandfather say right before he kicked the bucket?
Whoa.
Hey, how far you think I can kick this bucket?
Okay. Hey, it's your magnet.
Oh, yeah.
That's where it was.
All mangled. Let's put it back where it belongs. There and there.
I missed one. If you take it apart with a hammer,
Yeah.
if you want.
Yeah. Well, we got
Time.
we do a lot of that micro scrap.
Scrapping. Yep.
I strip all my wires and stuff,
I know. I missed. Is this all aluminum in here?
Yeah, but it's plain all the way.
Plastic. Yeah. That's what we call our light irony.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, the rest is
Yep.
miscellaneous
Stuff. Yep.
bits and pieces.
Hey, look, all the Christmas lights are gone. Is that metal?
Oh yeah, it is.
Most of the drip edges are metal.
Okay.
Most of them. Not all.
Yeah, it's gonna put a magnet on it.
Your magnet's broken.
Good thing it still works, brother.
And then that stuff goes.
The second one?
Yep. Hold on. Right. 32. 131.
Hang on.
I think a customer took it. And you can't do any hashtags, you know. That was me. Do you do
hashtags?
No,
I do them in my description. It still populates.
I don't do a description.
I have a stock description.
A stock description.
You
Okay.
put it in your default and it automatically populates and you got all your tags in there.
Oh, like your typical day of scrapping or whatever.
It's a whole.
Yeah, I know. It's right under the thumbnail. Yeah, yeah. I know. Do I, are we going to be fine with that fit full? My bin.
I don't have money. I don't got money for that. We'll make it work.
We'll make it work. That'd be a good name. We'll make it work.
How deep is that sealed unit in there?
What?
The one that he tossed in there. Before you forget about it.
Right there.
Oh, I ain't far down. Man, you filled this up pretty quick.
Yeah, it's amazing.
Well, the funny thing was the other day, I threw my sealed unit in here. It was the first one, and by the end of the day, by the next day, this was another new bin.
Mm-hmm.
That's another big bob. Big bob is in here.
I ripped apart a big AC yesterday that's been on the outer stretch of the pile that I couldn't reach. So David came up and threw up the pile. I was like, hey, can you grab that big AC?
The tin pile.
Super high.
It's like a...
Well, that's got like 60 feet of reach. So,
Yeah,
you know,
I know.
it's the next size up from the other one. What is this?
That's going to be heavy.
Ooh, that's pretty cool.
It's broke. One of the legs is broken now.
Oh, okay.
I've got, if you really want one of those, I think I've got 2 or 3 of them at the house.
I'm good. Just more crap for my garage. You know?
I hear ya.
If anything, I need to get rid of stuff. No. Yep. Were all these at one stop?
No, there's a few ways. Honestly, I had a bunch of them in this barrel back here. I keep forgetting to turn them in.
Oh, hey. Hey. What have you been forgetting?
Oh, those freaking boards. Are you ready on light?
Yeah. I have no prepared jokes today.
No prepared jokes.
No.
Here you go.
I know that's what I was going to.
Look, mine's yellow, yours is red. Same brand.
See, some of these are just, I don't want to
embarrass. A lot of them are bad, Jeff. It's okay. You can have bad jokes. It'll encourage them to leave good jokes.
Who made the fish's wishes come true?
The fish fairy.
Close. It's Fairy Codmother.
Fairy Godmothers. We're digging the bottom of the barrel, guys.
I know.
Why did the rabbit work at the hotel?
They hop along the...
He made a good bellhop.
A bellhop. See, I was getting...
Close. Jeffy's favorite.
Why does a knock knock? Why does a milking stool only have 3 legs?
Milking stool. Not sure.
Because the cow has the udder one.
Cow has the
Udder.
Knock knock.
Who's there?
Be.
Be who?
Just be yourself.
Where do rabbits go after their wedding?
A hoppy moon?
Close. They go on a bunny moon.
A bunny moon. Why did the gum cross the road?
Because he was spit out.
No, he's stuck to the chicken's shoe.
Oh. What about the weed eater back here? Radiator. There's a sealed unit back there. There's a bigger one. Is that clean? Yeah, right there. Do the clean. Al, you may have to come back. 8 minutes? 8 minutes till lunch? Yeah. Oh, you are in here. You are in here, that's for sure. You said you had a compressor up here? Or was that the one?
That's the one.
That's the one. Yep. License plate at your feet.
That what?
License plate by your foot. Here. Yep, right there. Yeah, that's fine. And two on any heavy. Yep. Oh no, not the brass. Two.
It's okay.
It's on 22. What? Yeah, hold on. 3. Yep. 1. Oh. Brass. $50, Al. Alright, fill them up again. It'd be nice if I could do it 3 times in a day. That would get this gone quickly. That's too big for the 10 mile. With this thick stuff right here, that's too thick for the shredder, is what my boss says. little piece right there that I'm gonna have to grab when I get out. Next one is going to be those platforms. I'm going to track down there and get the platform. This piece I cannot grab because it's right here. I think that's about good for him. Maybe one more, small one. Bueno. One more. He says he wants a little bit more. Tear this guy apart. Trying to downsize it a little bit. All right, got that part done. Just trying to be able to grab it. All right, we got it up here. Awesome. Nope. All right. Track forward. Oh. Oh, my broom. Go. Woo. Close. Thank you. George. That's a big wheel. I hate it when they do this. They leave parts of the tire on. So we just deduct a few pounds from it. So that's going to be hard to get off of there. I know. The tire.
Yeah, I know.
No bueno.
No, I know.
No, next one. Next one. Yep.
How much the body? 5.
See. $62 on that. Knock off 5 pounds. So 138.
Are you taking?
I gave you.
Okay.
Thank you. $98.
How much?
98.
98.
No, 28.
98.
Sí.
Okay.
was that?
My pasta blew up.
Oh, your Mazda blew up?
Yeah.
Oopsies.
Yeah. That fucking turbo was sucking the oil out of the engine.
Hopefully that,
Hopefully that did it.
I got bigger pieces of aluminum and metal.
and what?
Bigger pieces of aluminum and steel. She told me to come see you with it.
Why? Is he? Hold on.
I said come see you with it, but it ain't gonna go. I ain't gonna be able to go around this way.
Oh, you gotta go. You gotta go around and get in line. Did you weigh in out there?
Yeah. I weighed.
Oh, you already weighed. Oh, okay,
I
gotcha.
weighed, but I don't think she marked me because she told me to just go see you. But she didn't know what you want to do with it.
Oh, she didn't weigh you in.
That's what I thought.
She's gonna have to weigh you in. Hold on. If you want to dump the... Oh, your hand. Your hand. You can put those... All right.
Tell her to weigh it in and put it on aluminum.
I put it... I'll tell her.
She was just confused because it had steel bars on it.
What? Heavy. This would go up against the concrete wall where the red beam is.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's where that would go.
So go back to the scale,
Yeah.
have her weigh.
For heavy irony. I'll put it in the computer for him. See. All right, get back to doing them. What's going on? Wheels weighed 163. All right, what do we got? Why? Yep. These rolling.
You want the electric motor this?
Yep.
You want these too?
Yep, those can go, yep.
Yeah.
Go down there. Go is heavy. Yep, right there, yep. That can go right now. This stuff can
Yeah, cut this
go.
go with like motor, right?
Yep. This guy. I think that's steel. That's steel. Okay, all right. And then this guy can go. Okay. One more wheel. Do the heavy and then take that.
This one?
Yeah. That's the dirty stuff? No, that can go separate.
Separate?
Yep. Yep. That's gonna go down there. A meatball? Yeah. A meatball. That one. That's about it. And then the coffee. A little bit of coffee.
Yeah, I got a 20-foot, 22-foot tall cloth in that garage. 27 I just built my house inside it for half of it. When wild caretaker it is. Hey, is this metal or aluminum?
It's metal. I checked
Yeah,
it.
it's metal, dog.
Hey, the magnet right there. Okay. For the copper, yeah, you could knock it out.
Bottom, I tried that motherfucker don't come out.
Or cut it out.
Yeah.
And then 227.
You what?
227. Or 228, sorry. That saw can go? Yeah, yep, that's gonna go, but that'll go separate. Worth more. The aluminum on top, that guy, yep, that can go in there. This is the electric motor. Old. That can go over there. What's that? That one. Yeah. All the jet skis. Oh. that one can
If I'd
go.
have known all that was separate, I'd have kind of separated.
Yeah.
All I was figuring was wires.
Nope. Getting you the most bang for your buck.
Yeah. More gas money.
Exactly.
That shit getting expensive.
All that aluminum is gonna go in that second one. Yep. Oh. Something. Let me look. I don't want this big plug.
Can't have ends on it.
No, that's fine. There's chips in there. All right. We're going right in the wire. Yep. No. $67 so far. What is this? Yep. Watch your head. Watch your head. I don't want that. $71.
Nice.
Screw. The extrusion has to be clean. That's all dirty, right?
Yeah.
Yep. No, hold on. I got your wire in here. Hey. All right. Old tool hubcap.
Yep. Old camper. That's it for that too.
Is that stainless or
Yep. And this.
dirty stainless?
Yep. It's all dirty.
Yeah. Yeah. Yep, down there. And let's get his motors, the 14. That one where you put the dirty? Yeah. Motor, don't forget it. And that's it, right? $66.